Welcome, guys. So we have to go through this question. That is 2023 GCE ECZ. Okay. So this is coming from Cyclic theorems. You have to understand those theorems. I think there are about 7 or 8. You need to understand all of them. Otherwise, you would have challenges with this topic. Okay. So make sure that you know all those theorems. And those of you that are writing your exams in 2024, make sure you call these numbers so that you begin the lessons with us. The earlier you begin, the better. All right? You have to avoid last-minute encounters. Okay? So let us go through this question together. In the diagram below, in the diagram, A, B, C, and D are points on the circumference of a circle with center O. So with center O, that is very important for you to know. With center O, all right? Then, so if it with center O, that is what they are saying. Then they are saying AD or BD, sorry, is equals to AD. And then the angle at D is equals to 40 degrees. Okay? So me, what I'm going to do, I just want us to start applying those theorems, okay? So if this angle here is 40, you know, there's a theorem that says the angle on the circumference is twice the angle at the center. Or the angle at the center is twice the angle on the circumference. So meaning, to get this angle here, we'll have to multiply this one here by 2. We multiply 40 by 2 to get the angle at the center. Okay? Now, you should be able to know at this point that this is the BO and OA. This is also the same here. All right? So meaning, if this is 80 here, you need to know that an angle, 3 angles in a triangle do add up to 180 degrees. All right? So that is going to tell you that this angle here is 50. Even this other angle here is 50. Okay? But then you have to note that there is also still this concept here. Okay, if I can write this, we are given that this angle here is 40. And then there are these ones here that are telling you that the base angles are equal. So what do? This is supposed, when you subtract this one from 180, it will give you 140. So that 140, you have to divide it equally in order for you to get what? 70 here, and this will be 70. So what am I trying to say? That tells us that this angle here, the whole angle here, it's supposed to be 70. From here up to this point, it's supposed to be 70. Okay? Now we already have 50 here, so meaning this will be 20. The same thing applies here. This whole angle is supposed to be 70, so we already have 50, so meaning this smaller angle here will be 20. Okay? You ought to understand that. What about this angle here? What about this angle here? This angle here. So you need to know that there is one theorem that says that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral, add up to 180. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral add up to 180. So this angle here, it is opposite to this angle here. Okay? It's opposite to this angle. So meaning when we add these two, they are supposed to give us what? They're supposed to give us 180. So if that angle there is 70, then this one here should be 110. So that when we add them, they should give us 70. All right? So if we come to the angles that they want us to find now, AOB, AOB is 80 degrees. AOB, it's this angle here. It's 80 degrees. Then we have BCD. BCD. BCD, it is this angle here that we got as what? 110 degrees. Then we have OBD. 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 This is the 20 degrees. This is all what you needed to do, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. So, but this topic is kind of a challenge if you do not have an understanding of those theorems like one by one. Otherwise, it's supposed to be very simple if you have familiarized yourself with those concepts. All right. So if you need to join our classes for 2024, get in touch with me here or my friend on the second number. We should be able to attend to you without any problem. Thank you so much for coming to our channel and watch our videos.